Hello, welcome to the Learning Box. Today's discussing topic is types of machine learning. There are 4 types of machine learning. They are as follows: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, semi-supervised machine learning, reinforcement machine learning. Let's discuss more then.
Supervised learning. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning, also known as supervised machine learning, is a subcategory of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It is defined by its use of labeled datasets to train algorithms that to classify data or predict outcomes accurately. Example: supervised learning can indeed be applied to classify animals and plants into their respective families based on various features or attributes. Physical characteristics are size, shape, color and structure. First one is animal family, and second one is plant family. Moving next, supervised learning can be separated into 2 types: classification and regression. What is classification? Classification is a supervised machine learning method where the model tries to predict the correct label of a given input data. What is regression? Regression in machine learning consists of mathematical methods that allow data scientists to predict a continuous outcome based on the value of one or more predictor variables.
Unsupervised learning in artificial intelligence is a type of machine learning that learns from data without human supervision. Unlike supervised learning, unsupervised machine learning models are given unlabeled data and allowed to discover patterns and insights without any explicit guidance or instruction. Example: online shopping rate of the customer need to know the customers with history of purchase and recent search. There are 3 types of unsupervised learning: clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. Clustering is a technique for exploring raw, unlabeled data and breaking it down into groups or clusters based on similarities or differences. Association rule mining is a rule-based approach to revealing relationships between data points in large datasets. Dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction is an unsupervised learning technique that reduces the number of features or dimensions in a dataset.
Semi-supervised learning is a branch of machine learning that combines supervised and unsupervised learning by using both labeled and unlabeled data to train ML models for classification and regression tasks. Semi-supervised learning are assumption learning, transductive learning, inductive learning, and support vector machines. Assumption learning. Semi-supervised learning relies on certain assumptions about the unlabeled data used to train the model and the way data points from different classes relate to one another. Transductive learning. Transductive learning methods use available labels to discern label predictions for a given set of unlabeled data points so that they can be used by a supervised base learner. Inductive learning. Inductive methods of semi-supervised learning aim to directly train a classification or regression model using both labeled and unlabeled data. Support vector machines, SVM. SVM is a powerful machine learning algorithm used for linear or nonlinear classification, regression, and even outlier detection tasks.
Reinforcement learning is a machine learning technique that trains software to make decisions to achieve the most optimal results. It mimics the trial and error learning process that humans use to achieve their goals. There are mainly 2 types of reinforcement learning, which are positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. Positive reinforcement. The positive reinforcement learning means adding something to increase the tendency that expected behavior would occur again. It impacts positively on the behavior of the agent and increases the strength of the behavior. This type of reinforcement can sustain the changes for a long time, but too much positive reinforcement may lead to an overload of states that reduce the consequences. Negative reinforcement. The negative reinforcement learning is opposite to the positive reinforcement as it increases the tendency that the specific behavior will occur again by avoiding the negative condition. It can be more effective than the positive reinforcement depending on situation and behavior, but it provides reinforcement only to meet minimum behavior.
Enjoy machine learning.